Hello friends, how are you all? My name is Ruchi and welcome back to Create with Ruchi. Can you all hear that sound? So yes, you guessed it right. Today we are gonna prepare crispy chicken along with Thai red onion salad and chili garlic mayo. Ingredient list is already there on the screen. Here I have half a kg of chicken breast. You can use chicken legs or chicken thigh as per your interest. Now I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and start mixing. Friends, one important tip: whenever you are making fried chicken, always add little extra salt, a little extra only. Now we have mixed the chicken with salt and pepper. We will marinate this for minimum 3 hours to overnight. I'm gonna do it for overnight, but keeping them for 3 to 4 hours also good enough. Now let's prepare spicy garlic mayo for crispy chicken. Here we have taken 6 to 7 red whole chilies. These I have soaked in hot water for about 10 minutes. Take about 4 to 5 garlic cloves and half a cup of regular mayonnaise. Here I have peeled these garlic cloves. In a small pan we will start roasting these garlic cloves. Make sure the flame is on very low. Saute them so they don't burn. Within 40 to 50 seconds they will be ready. Friends, these are ready, so we will switch off the flame and take them out. We have roasted them because we don't want raw garlic flavor in garlic mayonnaise. In the blender jar, add the red chilies and garlic cloves and make a smooth paste. Here I have grinded them, but it's not very smooth, so I will add about 1 tablespoon of water and make a smooth paste. Red chili paste is ready. You can see this is very smooth. Now we will transfer about half of the paste in the mayonnaise. I like more spicy, so I'm gonna use complete paste, but if you don't like much spicy, then you can adjust according to your taste buds. I have added other half of the paste. Now I'm gonna give it a good mix. This is ready, but we haven't added any salt. We will add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix them. Now I'm gonna taste a little to see whether the salt is perfect, and this is perfect. Let's prepare Thai red onion salad. Here I have taken a big size onion, and in a bowl I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Here I have peeled the onion and cut the eye of this onion. We will cut these onions in long strings like these, and they are very thin. Now transfer these onions in the bowl. Give them a good mix so the salt, sugar, vinegar and onions get mixed together. Our light and yummy onion salad is ready. This salad can be used as a side dish. Now let's prepare our crispy juicy chicken. For that I have taken 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 large egg and half a cup of milk and a wide bowl. Now in the bowl we will transfer the milk and we will break the egg. Start mixing them. Give them a very good mix. We have taken our chicken out after marinating for overnight that we kept in fridge. Now we will take 1 piece of chicken, coat that chicken with cornstarch, then dip inside the egg milk mixture. Then again we will coat that chicken in cornstarch. You can see how I'm doing in the video. Make sure that you coat every corner. Dust out excess cornstarch. Dip nicely in the egg and milk mixture. Again back to the cornstarch. Same way, coat all the corners of the chicken pieces and place that piece in the tray or any plate. We will repeat the same process to our other chicken pieces. Also make sure that you dust out excess cornstarch. We have prepared all the chicken pieces. Let's move towards next step. In a pot, the oil has been heating up on very low flame. One by one we will start adding the chicken pieces in the oil. Make sure that you add chicken pieces very carefully. The oil is hot, you can get hurt. Also, don't add many pieces at the same time. Don't overcrowd the pan. After 3 to 4 minutes, we will flip them. Don't hurry with these chicken pieces. Slowly we will cook, then only they will get very beautiful golden color and a very good texture. Keep the flame on low all the time. Every after 2 to 3 minutes, keep flipping them. That way they will get beautiful color and they will not burn any side. Altogether, these pieces will take about 14 to 15 minutes to cook evenly and get the crispy texture. Friends, for more recipes, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get all the notification for my videos. Beautiful golden color has started to come to these chicken pieces. Friends, our chicken pieces are ready. We can remove them from the pan. As you can see, they look amazing. We will place them in a plate with tissue paper. Same way we will cook other pieces of chicken. One more thing, the oil that you use should be light in flavor. Don't use any mustard oil or any strong flavor oil. Friends, any questions, suggestion or feedback you want to give for my videos, you can comment in the comment box. That will help me to improve my videos. Friends, these crispy chickens are way better than the KFC or any other restaurant because they taste better. We are using good oil and we are maintaining hygiene. In my opinion, homemade food is always best. These chicken pieces are almost ready now. Now they are ready and we will remove it from the pan. Our crispy chickens are ready. As you can see, the color is beautiful and the texture looks great. Now you can hear the sound of these crispy chickens. Another piece. Also, when we cut them, they have this crunchy sound. Friends, this crispy chicken is very juicy from inside, and trust me guys, this tastes heavenly delicious. Everything is ready. You can dip this crispy chicken in the spicy garlic mayo and enjoy, or you can put them in a tortilla, chapati or any bun along with the spicy garlic mayo and Thai onion salad. Both ways it will taste amazing. I hope you liked my recipe. Please share with your friends and family. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You will get all the notification for my videos. Thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye.